Welcome back to Build Safe India. I'm Suresh, and this is episode 6 of our ongoing series on transforming safety in the Indian construction sector. Today, we are exploring how advanced technologies are reshaping site safety and compliance. With me is Ramesh, a construction safety specialist. Ramesh, what's new and trending in safety tech for 2025?
Thanks, Suresh. Technology is indeed redefining how safety is managed. We are seeing a huge shift towards smart wearables like helmets and vests equipped with sensors that detect fatigue, temperature, or even a worker's fall, sending instant alerts to supervisors. Drones are now being used to inspect high or inaccessible areas, minimizing human risk. AI driven platforms analyze site data to predict hazards before they happen. Meanwhile, IoT based monitoring systems track equipment, air quality, and even noise levels in real time, helping ensure compliance with the BOCW Act and other Indian safety regulations.
That's impressive. So, how can these technologies fit into a safety officer's daily work routine?
Great question. For day to day operations, wearables can be used to track worker health and heat stress levels. Drones can perform quick visual inspections after heavy rain or wind, ensuring structures remain stable. AI systems can automatically flag unsafe conditions or lapses in PPE usage. And cloud based dashboards make reporting faster and more accurate, saving hours of manual paperwork. In interviews, safety professionals should highlight their awareness and experience with such tools. It shows adaptability and forward thinking.
Well said, Ramesh. Technology isn't just modernizing construction, it's saving lives and creating smarter, safer work sites. Join us next time as we talk about emergency response and crisis management. Until then, stay smart, stay safe, and build safe.